this afternoon we'll pass by it. But this is how they, they follow the grain and they make holes here, hole, and on the other side, and they dig down, okay, with small chisels. It's made out of very strong stone called dololite stone, D-O-R-I-L-T-E, or dorite stone, and then they put wood in it, set fire, poured water, it cracks. It's very simple technique, but they were very smart. There was an engineer once in Belgium. He told me that in Ivory Coast, when they dig, roads or make roads between the mountains, they do the same. Because the explosion or dynamite, it's very expensive, and in the same time, take long time to take permission. So you can see how they cut the obelisk. See, this is the place for an obelisk. Yeah, and there is the unfinished obelisk there.
It's over there.
This way. When you come down, you will come down this way or the other way. You go through there, the shops, at the end the bookshop.
There are two cracks.
Yes.
In
the unfinished obelisk.
So
Go there.
So it's useless.
Yes, sir. That's why they lift it. Yeah. Otherwise, they will finish it. It is the most, famous one. Thanks God we find one unfinished. It explains for us. Otherwise, we will not know. They did not leave it on purpose. But we feel lucky. Come closer. See, Habibi? This is also another one. The problem for us as Egyptologists, how they cut the bottom. This is the problem, They made it deeper than the level and then they cut it at the bottom. This is, which is we are trying to find the solution actually. How they cut it like cheese, like butter, although it's very hard to stone.
There are some theories, for example, that they use something like a piece or so.
Yes.
That then was watered and then expanded and lifted the stone.
Yes, the same idea. Would you please? Yes. Habibi, this, they make, with the granite, they make statues, they made coffins, obelisk, the symbol of the Sun God Ra. This one we call it the unfinished obelisk. It is, if they finish it, it's gonna be 1,000 ton. Okay? And how tall? 42 meters. They left it in situ or there because they found some cracks, 2 cracks in the middle. One crack, and then they try to make it smaller. You can see, this is the one. They cut it here, but again they found another crack. So they left it as it is. We don't know which king. Probably Hatshepsut, by the way, because Hatshepsut, she cut 4 obelisks for her father, the god Amun, Ra, and we found only 2 in there. So after they cut it, they lift it with a sledge of wood, then they wrap it till, the Nile River, put it in big boat, sail downstream to Wasit, also to, Memphis or Giza, okay? Well, here, can you see the axis there? This is how they cut it. The place for the axe or chisels. See it? It is there. Yes. You know how they...
What are we looking at here?
We look through the obelisk there.
Yeah, which is the obelisk?
It's the one is lying down.
So the straight line
Yes.
down the angle?
Yes. This is the obelisk. And you will find it's pyramidion where the man is standing there. Then, so you follow the stairs this way, this way, this way, this way. And then you can come down, go through the shops. At the end, this is a bookshop there, inshallah. If you wanted to have, also ice cream, they have drinks, soft drinks. The book, yes, about Egypt. Yeah. I think, that is the Imam, he increased his prayers. Because this is, that he pray for something special. Okay. Yes. Sir. Enjoy your time.
Could it
I will
be
meet you there maybe in almost half an hour.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Could it be that the Israelites were put to work here because it said that they were obliged to work in the stone quarries?
Sorry? Yes, but not here. Excuse me, please don't step on the obelisk there. It's too dangerous, huh? Take the photos from the side. If you have any questions, keep it in your mind. I'm willing to answer it.
So it's too south, too far south.
No, to the north. This is, the south one. You mean the Jewish? The Jewish,
yeah.
they were in the north. They did not arrive here. There was other quarries there, but not granite. Maybe different stone. Maybe turquoise, lapis lazuli.
I think in some of the quarries they found graffitis that depict the god El.
That's not in Egypt.
Not in Egypt?
In Sinai.
In Sinai, I see.
Yes, not in Egypt, but not here, not in the south. And that's for the god El. It is in Palestine, in the north in Sinai, in the southeast of Egypt. Yes. So you are filming all this conversation.
Oh, it's still running.
So, oh really?